Oh, hold on, my head's messed up. Okay. These are the adventures. No, you guys are taking. Oh, we took a video. Of the. Oh, am I supposed to be sexy too? Okay. Of the Yenes family playing volleyball. Although I can't because I got blingage. Julie!
What do you want? I look like crap right now. Hi!
What do you like about volleyball? Don't throw it at me!
I like, that you have to really be into it and you have to dive for it and you have to, like...
Die for it?
Dive.
Oh.
Like.
Thank God.
Yeah.
That's cool. That's cool. I feel you.
Like, in the very, you have to move a lot. I like that.
Do the same thing as soccer. Just saying. So we are getting ready to decorate Lulu's cake and decorate her walls because it's her birthday on Sunday, and it's gonna be really cool. And that's basically what's going on. We're waiting for a couple people, so we have all the cakes baked. I'm just gonna do the decorating and hope that nobody sabotages it. Actually, I know people are going to sabotage it, but regardless, yeah, we're gonna have a party. That is gonna be awesome. You wanna see? You wanna be in my video, Lulu?
Yeah! We are ninja!
Why are we so strange? Lulu, are you excited about your party? No. I can't. Why not? I'm nervous. Ah! She's gonna sell me her shoes. I wanna show you her shoes. They're really small and they hurt my feet super cool. And I want them because they're my colors and they're green and they're badass. It's weird. I have to think about it when I do it. I'm like, no.